Hi, what's good everybody? In today's video we are going to be designing an exercise book for our child's birthday in CorelDraw X7. So without further ado, let's step into it. Actually, we've done sticker and Ivy before, which is this, so we are converting it to Jotter. So right now let's add on. So right now here is the text, so let's go ahead and just turn the page to what they call inches. That's what we are going to be using. Then create an object, 9 by 7. So to create that, you just have to select a rectangle tool, then you drag just like so, then you type the up will be 7, then the down part will be 9. So then you hit OK. Good, can you see that? So let's make a copy forward just like so. When you get to the destination, you right click, automatically copy paste. So right now what we need to do is to just bring in this. So what we're going to be doing now is to remove the text out of it. So let's delete that. Good. So what we need to do is to group everything all together, Ctrl G, then let's go over and position it just like so. Center it all up within the first object. There you have that. So right now let's head over and just bring in the child picture just like so. Good. So what we're going to be doing now, what we need to do is to just ungroup all of this, ungroup. Then let's go ahead and Powerclip the image into the circle right here. So let's go over and just drag this down a little bit, then let's reduce it just like so. Hold out key, select the object, then reduce a bit just like so. Good. So right now what we need to do is to group it all up, Ctrl G, automatically groups, and turn the back page to pink. This is not really it, so what you get to do is you just select a magenta color. There it's affect that. So right now let's bring in our name. So what we're gonna be doing now is to just arrange this text. So let's go ahead, Fauzia at 5. So let's go ahead and change the font to Connect Black. Good, can you see that? Break this a bit, then let's go ahead and break right from here. Then let's go ahead and just make it a symbol X. Good. So hit Ctrl K to break that into pieces. Then let's go ahead and change the font to script fonts. Let's use Amsterdam 4. Automatically you have that. So let's make it bigger. So what we're going to be doing now is to turn this to magenta. There you have that. So let's go ahead and just have this in between the name. Let's make a reduction to that. Fauzia. So let's make it all cap. Good, nice one. So let's reduce it a bit. So right now what we're going to be laying emphasis on is 5. So let's go ahead and just hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces. So let's go ahead and make the 5 bigger. So right now what we're going to be doing is to make the 5 let's make the color magenta. Head over to your interactive view tool. Let's drag on that. So right from this white portion, let's change this to sample the color right from our clothes. There you have that changed. So what we needed to do right now is to go ahead and duplicate this. Then we're gonna have to make that magenta, then set it behind. Then let's go ahead and make a copy again. So let's make this grayscale, send it behind. There you have that. So let's go ahead and select the top one, right click on white to set the outline to white, then hit on F12. A dialog box pops up. So let's change the thickness of the outline to 3, so it's okay. Good, nice one. This is too much, so let's use 1 point. There you have that. So let's just put that forward, then select the whole thing just like so, group it, then let's go ahead to a shadow tool, click on shadow tool, then you drag on the 5 just like so. So let's go ahead and darken the shadow right from here. Drop shadow opacity, let's make it 90. It's okay. Then let's go ahead to this place and change the feathering, shadow feathering to 9. It's okay. Good. So let's go ahead to object, then look at break drop shadow apart, click on that, automatically breaks, then you group it all up together again. So right now let's position the heart at the top, so make it bigger a bit. Mind you, we are going to change the color to pink as well, copy our properties. So let's make it, let's reduce that a bit, then pull it forward, pull it upward just like so. There you have that position. So what we're gonna be doing now is to create something unique right here. So let's go over, we are going to be covering this ribbon right here, so because it's an exercise book. So what we need us to do now is to right drag this color on top of the object that we created, automatically changes. So right now what we needed to do is to go ahead and create object just like so. So we're gonna make this a darker color, then set the outline to white, hit on F12, a dialog pops up, then let's change the thickness of the outline to 5, check on scale with object, then check on bright fill. So it's okay, automatically it affects that. So let's copy forward just like so. When you get to your destination, you right click, automatically copy paste. So let's make this white. That's the portion that we are going to be writing the names, dates and all of that. So make a copy downward, Control R for a repeat, Control R on your keyboard, automatically duplicate that. So what we're going to be doing in essence is to type, it's going to be in capital letter, name, subject, add column, then form, add column, then dates, add column. Good. So what we're going to be doing now is to change it to black connect, then let's make it white. Excuse me. So let's make a reduction just like so. Good. So let's position it all up, hit Ctrl K to break the text into pieces. So let's center it all up, then drag this down to its rightful position, likewise this. Good, nice one. So let's zoom down. So the outline of the objects are too thick, so let's make it 2 points. Can you see that? So let's go over and just group everything together, Ctrl G, then you just have to move it closer to each other. It's a bit spaced. Good. Can you see that? So let's group it, Ctrl G, then go ahead to your shadow tool, click on that, then let's apply shadow to that. Good. So let's go ahead and make it 4 points. It's okay. Good. Go ahead to your object, then hit on break, drop shadow apart, automatically breaks, then Ctrl G to group it all up. So let's go over and just run it all up with our shape tool just like so. Good, nice one. So So let's apply shadow to this as well. Select that, then go ahead to your shadow tool, drag to add a shadow to that. There you have that. So let's go ahead, let's make it 9 points. There you have that. Go ahead, make this 90. Good. So go ahead to your object, then hit on break drop shadow apart, automatically breaks. So right now we are going to create the back design. So let's zoom up, then let's we are going to give what's it called, create what's it called, hard to the back of the exercise. So let's go on to look for the information that we are going to use for that. Double click, wait a while for that to initiate. Good. So here it is. So let's go ahead and cut everything. Ctrl X, then let's go ahead to what's it called, to our CorelDraw. So let's paste right there. Ctrl V, hit OK. So let's create a box by dragging it inward. Right click, then let's make it a lighter color. Hold Ctrl key, then you tap on magenta. Then let's have this squeeze a bit because we are going to put something arithmetic right there. So what we needed to do now is to bring forward the text. Control page up on your keyboard, then let's lay emphasis on text. So let's go ahead and break this. Control X, then paste, and let's change the font size to connect, then make it bigger. Good. For uniformity, what we're going to be doing now is to apply the same color right from here. So let's right drag that on top of the font, then you choose copy all properties. There you have that, affects the text. So let's go ahead and just apply shadow to this by dragging, just like so. Automatically it affects the text. Go ahead to object, then you break it all up, automatically breaks. So right now let's bring all the images that we are going to use for the adverts. That's going to be at the back of the what's it called. So let's zoom up. So right now let's bring all of this, reduce, zoom up. So let's go ahead to what's it called, interactive fill tool, drag on the object. Automatically you have that brighten up. So what we need to do now is to just bring this aside. So we are going to lay all the what's it called, the picture right here. Let's delete that, reduce. Good. Position it well. Good. Delete that. Position it. Make a copy of this as well. Position it right there. Likewise this. So all we are going to be doing now is to rearrange this images. So bring this a bit forward, give it right alignment, make a reduction, then let's make this a bit wider. Mind you, we are actually going to be laying emphasis on one of these. So let's make this bigger. So we are going to make this to be beneath, just like so. Reduce, then let's have this position right here, reduce. Good. So let's go ahead and make this reduce. Good. Center it all up. There you have that. So right now let's position this beneath, make this a bit wider. Likewise, this reduce a bit, then let's give it top alignment, then pull this forward just like so, increase a little bit. Likewise, this increase it a little bit, then let's have this, to be aligned. There you have that. So let's go ahead and make it wider. Good, nice one. It's too much, so let's reduce it, then go ahead and push it closer to the top one. Give it, align it properly just like so. Good, nice one. Can you see that? So right now let's arrange the rest of the text. Make this a bit bolder. Nice one. Good. So let's go ahead and arrange the rest of the text. So for sales of imported illusory furniture, dinings, etc, stand TV, console, and all of that, blah blah blah. So we just have to break it in accordance just like so. Break right here, then right from here break it. Likewise, this break it. So let's go ahead and have this to be, change the font size to Swiss. Then let's go ahead and make this title case. Good. So let's bold this all up, make it make it what's it called, magenta. So let's go ahead and just have the rest of the information. We have the address, let's give it space a little bit. Good. So right from here enter, and the phone number, so we just have to make it tel, add a column right there, then let's give it space. Good. So let's cut this. This is the slogan. Ctrl X, then this is going to be at the top, so let's have it right here. Ctrl V, yes, wait a while for that to initiate. Good. So copy this upward, then let's have this beneath. So right now what we need to do is to change the font of this. Let's use Naija. Good. So let's bolding it all up. Nice one. Center it all up right there. Good. Likewise, this Ctrl G, then you center it all up with the box. There you have that. Good, nice one. So right now what we're gonna be doing now is to just lay emphasis on the address and all of that. So let's cut this, delete, cut this, Ctrl X, paste beneath. So right now we are going to lay emphasis on all of this. Let's bolding it all up. So let's cut it in accordance with the space that we have. Good. Instead of all this comma, let's give it a line. That's the indication of separation. Good. 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 Delete the comma. Likewise this. So good. Likewise here. Good. Can you see that? Go ahead, the console. Good. Space it all up. Likewise this space. Likewise this as well. Wall hearts. Enter. Space it all up. Then let's have this just like so. Good. Nice one. Space it all up. So right from here as well. Enter. Good. Here enter. Good. Space dollar. Good. Likewise, yeah, enter. Good. Space dollar. Can you see that? Good. And accessories, etc. Good. So right now what we needed to do is to just, you know, space dollar with the help of what's it called, shape tool, stretch downward. Can you see that? Good. Nice one. So what we're gonna be doing now is to give it a little bit of spice, so by putting line in between all of this, hit F12. Let's make the outline 1, hit OK, then let's copy, so make it magenta, then copy downward, right click when you get to destination. Likewise, you know, repeat same task all the way down, just like so. Right click, good. Can you see that? So let's zoom down to have the rest of the text. So let's give this, you know, title case. Good. Enter right from here. Good. So here we come to the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. See you in the next video. Bye for now.